In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in WordPress. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing in so you're on the dashboard. From here, head to the left-hand menu and click Plugins. In the Plugins area, choose Add New, then use the search bar to look for Fluent Forms. When you see the Fluent Forms plugin, click Install, and once that finishes, click Activate. Activating makes the plugin available in your dashboard, and you'll notice a new Fluent Forms menu appear on the left. Click Fluent Forms, then select Add a New Form. You'll see a gallery of templates. Pick the template you prefer. There's usually a simple contact form template that's perfect for getting started quickly. Using a template saves time and ensures you have the basics in place. Now customize the form to match what you need. Click on any field to edit its label and placeholder text so visitors clearly understand what to type. Keep the form focused. Name, email, and message are typically enough for general inquiries. If you need more details, feel free to add fields like phone or subject, but avoid asking for anything unnecessary. You can mark essential fields as required, rearrange the order by dragging, and add short help text if something might be confusing. Clear, concise labels and a logical order make a big difference in response quality. When your form looks good, click Save. After saving, copy the short code displayed at the top of the form screen. This little code tells WordPress exactly which form to display on a page. Next, go to your contact page. Open it in the editor and click the plus icon to add a new block. Type Fluent Forms into the block search, then insert the Fluent Forms block. In the block settings, select the form you just created from the drop-down. The form preview should appear right away, showing you how it will look to your visitors. That's it. Your contact form is now embedded on your page using the form you built in Fluent Forms. Before you move on, take a moment to scan the fields again in the editor to make sure everything reads clearly and the order makes sense. Short, well-labeled forms tend to get more submissions and fewer mistakes. And remember, you can always return to Fluent Forms later to tweak labels, add or remove fields, or adjust settings as your needs evolve. You've just created and placed a contact form in WordPress using Fluent Forms, from installation to customization to embedding on your contact page.